Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your Chinese with HelloChinese detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the HelloChinese app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create an account using your email or social media profile. Choose your current level of Chinese proficiency to tailor the content to your needs. Explore the app's user-friendly interface to familiarize yourself with its features. Start with the basics by navigating to the Lessons section. Select a topic that interests you, such as pronunciation, vocabulary, or grammar. Engage with the interactive lessons, which include listening, speaking, reading, and writing exercises. Utilize the voice recognition feature to practice pronunciation and receive instant feedback. Take note of commonly used phrases and words presented in each lesson. Set aside dedicated daily practice time to build consistency in your learning routine. Use the spaced repetition system for vocabulary to enhance memorization and retention. Connect with the community features to practice speaking with other learners. Consider joining group challenges or conversation practice sessions within the app. Regularly track your progress using the app's built-in analytics. Create achievable goals for yourself to stay motivated and focused. Explore the additional resources section for cultural insights and more complex topics. Don't hesitate to revisit lessons that you find challenging until you are comfortable with the material. Participate in the quizzes at the end of each chapter to test your knowledge. Seek feedback from more advanced speakers or friends who are fluent in Chinese. Stay patient and persistent, recognizing that mastering a language takes time and effort. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.